Hey Captain, I want to check out some fire towers. Let's plan a trip. How about this weekend? It's going to be an old Toyota convoy. Or maybe I'll invite one Jeep?
You'll drop. There we go. You want to straighten out?
No rush, so maybe we can camp there for a night. I'll cook. So, what do you say? Are you down? So, Matt just got here, and then we have my Landcruiser, Nigel's tackle, rods for a camping week. This Saturday, a couple of friends met up in Hope, headed north along Highway 1. I've been bugging Nigel to go check out some fire towers, and today I'm finally getting my way. This section of the Trans-Canada Highway runs parallel with Railway and Fraser River, then split off in Linton along Thompson River. We were reminded of a piece of history behind Canadian Northern Pacific Railway as we took a stop at the last spike. It was completed in 1915 and still in operation to date. Fuel stop in Ashcroft. Guess who doesn't need to fill up? No secret here. Just a long-range fuel tank. Weirdly, we are getting some hail. It's dropping ice balls right now. Look at that. It's snowing a little, but we got to Cornwall Fire Lookout Tower. I've heard that Cornwall Tower was the last fire tower in BC interior to have a person on full time. Before satellite image and all that technology came along, this is all we could do to detect wildfire. Oh, guestbook. I probably wouldn't mind taking on a job like this. Office with a view all day seems relaxing, but your role is very important. Essentially, you're taking care of the whole mountain.
Yo, man, you gotta move, man. Otherwise, we're gonna
There's
be stuck
more.
Here. We are already stuck here. Yo, I am not taking body damage for a cow. It's called a bull bar for a reason.
When the cattles finally decided to pass, we were back on highway and headed towards Kamloops for another fire tower, passing Duffy Lake campsite. If going from the reverse direction, the road to Duffy Lake from Highway 5 is quite flat and wide. You see, even excavator and semi-truck can get in here. The highest point of Greenstone Mountain, top at 5,900 feet. A white fire lookout tower contrasts the panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and lakes. Oh, we got a bunk here.
Yeah, you're over. Yeah, you're on the pumpkin rock right now on the left. So you keep, yeah. You'll drop. There we go. You want to straighten out? You want to straighten? Yeah, straighten out.
Not a first time.
What can I say? Just gotta love those nails on the road, eh?
Found it. It's our
Oh.
nail.
Tire repair kit is an essential, so make sure you always keep one in the vehicle. Store it under your driver's seat. Who knows when you'll get to use it? Maybe today, maybe tomorrow.
You hear that?
How can we sleep tonight?